Today, the subject of today's mindset training is on the word mindset. And it was something that, one of those moments where it suddenly occurs to you that a word that we use all the time perhaps conjures up a particular meaning. And indeed, that meaning isn't necessarily correct. And the word I'm talking about is mindset. It's one of those words that we use, and it's used a lot out there, out there. And it implies, the word mindset implies that your mindset is set. That your mind is set. Mindset. And in fact, your mindset is not set. It's something that can be changed. We can go through life with a particular mindset that we are a person who is shy, for example. That's something that, pops to mind. I'm a shy person. So we create that identity or that mindset that we are a shy person, and then we show up in the world as a shy person. We might have the mindset that we lack confidence and tell ourselves, I'll never be confident in doing that. I would never have the confidence to do that. And quite often, we are looking outside of ourselves at others, as that benchmark or comparison. And ain't that the worst thing that we can do for ourselves, is to compare ourselves to others. But we can create this identity or mindset around, being someone who isn't confident. And certainly that's something that I see a lot of, in particular with the women that I have been working with, throughout this year. Confidence is the key, the apex, if you like. So the apex of, the many issues that come under that banner of confidence. And there's so many. There's so many issues that can come under that. But we can create this mindset or identity that we are a person that lacks confidence, and that we would never have the confidence to do something. And then we show up in the world in that way. And we play out that identity of, what it means to be a person that isn't confident, isn't going to show up with confidence or, try things in life that a confident person would try. And of course, the thing that comes before confidence is actually courage. So when we think about ourselves as whether we are confident or not, confidence is not something that we are born with. It's something that comes in practice, over time. So in practicing, in doing. So we've got to have, what comes before the confidence is courage. So having the courage. So are we a courageous person? Can we show up with courage? And in showing up with courage, then we actually have the opportunity to develop confidence. And so getting back to the subject of today's mindset training is on the subject of mindset, and that our mindset, a set of beliefs, our thoughts, our ideas. So our mindset, that's what our mindset is. Our set of beliefs, thoughts, personal values, which may be our own, or it may be actually given to us. So a lot of the time, our, certainly part of our mindset is what has been handed to us, through our family. So, in our upbringing, and even through the generations as well. And that, that forms part of our mindset, our beliefs, our core beliefs and values. But just because those thoughts, beliefs, values are part of our mindset, it doesn't mean that we can't change it. And certainly, if you identify that the mindset, the beliefs that you are carrying with you throughout your life, if your mindset is not helping you, and you identify that it is actually holding you back and, weighing you down, hindering you, then I would invite you to look at how you can challenge that mindset, challenge those beliefs. You know, ask yourself powerful questions like, is that actually true? Is that my belief or is it someone else's? Whose belief is this? Why do I believe that? What evidence do I have to support that that belief is actually true? And just in asking ourselves those powerful questions, that can help in a really powerful and empowering way to unpack what our beliefs are, whether they are indeed our own, where they came from, and are they actually true? You know, and importantly, are they serving you? Is your mindset helping you or is it holding you back? So that's a question for you to ask, and I'd like that for you to be your, key takeaway message from today. Ask yourself that one question. And let me know either in the comments or send me a DM as to what the answer is for you. So that's all for today and for this week.